Good day, YouTubers. Harry and Meghan are left out of the Queen's speech for the second year in a row. We only have the Queen and a photo of Philip. Now, last year, she put up, here's Charles and Camilla, here's Will and Kate and the whole family, and I think this is a young picture of Philip, and she left out Harry and Meghan. She also made no mention of Harry and Meghan. Here in her speech, she highlighted, here's Charles right in the middle. Here's William. Here's Camilla, the Queen consort. So King, Queen consort, and Sophie, and then some charities that they were doing. I don't know who these other folks are. They're just charities. So, but it's very telling that she's completely leaving Harry and Meghan out. Now let's take a look at the Christmas photos. Okay, the latest Christmas photo. It's a cartoon. It's not black and white. It's not sepia. It's not a photograph. It's a cartoon. Archie is huge. He looks 4 or 5. He's supposedly almost 2. That doesn't look like a 2-year-old baby to me. Look at the kicks on his feet. I mean, he's probably got Air Jordans on, and he's probably shooting hoops and dunking. They're not making eye contact. Meghan is turned away from the camera. She's facing away from the camera. Meghan is like a laser beam. Okay, she's always looking directly at the camera. If there's a paparazzi anywhere, she spots them and looks directly at that camera, and then she sues them for violation of privacy. Okay, this photo, it looks like we're capturing a private moment, and it's cartooned. Okay, so it's not real. They're only going to show us what they want to show us, and they're not looking at us, and they're only going to let us in when they want to let us in. This looks to me like they're turning away from public scrutiny. Last year, precocious Archie, right up front and center, presenting Archie. Ta-da! We're the proud parents. Look, Meghan is just ultra clear. Harry's fading into the background. Meghan did this. Meghan is presenting Archie. Harry is just second fiddle at best. He went from being prince of the realm to second fiddle behind Meghan. Who is Meghan? Meghan is an interloper. How did that happen? Okay, so the newest addition of the royal family. The first Christmas card that they presented, they had their backs turned. We're looking into the future. We have a bright future. We're looking at fireworks. It's Harry and Meghan against the world. Harry is bigger than Meghan here. The body language suggests to me in the first Christmas photo that Harry is leading. Okay, leading them into the future. Okay, but their backs are turned. They're turning their backs on the royals. They're turning their backs on the public and walking away and doing whatever they want. And that's exactly what happened. They turned their backs on the world. Here they are in California with Archie, precocious Archie. This is, we're showing you everything, but exactly the way we want to show it to you. And Meghan is taking the forefront. And here, in the newest photo, these photos tell you everything. Now, in the newest photo, they're very private now. It's not a picture. It's not sepia. It's not black and white. It's been heavily photoshopped. It's now a cartoon. How does a poinsettia grow this large? How do poinsettias get that big? Are those real poinsettias or were they photoshopped in? They're really, really, really curating what you're going to see now, and they're letting us in only to a private moment. Look how casually dressed they are. They're not making an effort. We're just letting you into our private moment. They're telling us everything that's happening. Okay, added to this, the Queen's speeches, she's completely leaving Harry and Meghan out. And this is the second year in a row. So there's all kinds of things going on under the surface as well. Let me know what you think. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.